Oh, Ronaldo fans. Hey, what is this, dude? Today you will miss. I know you will miss. You're going to miss. You miss, you're not going to get it. Come on, bro. Yeah, so we have two goalies here, guys. Those are our two goalies for today penalties. Yes! Okay, thank you, guys. Let's go and play the match now. Okay. What's up, people? Welcome back, everyone. So today we have a nice entertaining video. It's kind of a challenge video with my student here, the lakshya student here. So I'm doing part-time football coaching. I'm the coach for them. So today I brought my Silva play button here in the school. You can see it. Yeah. So they all requested that they want to have photo with it. So what I'm doing, like today we're gonna have a challenge, like personal penalty. Everyone here, you're seeing them, they are going to kick penalty. Everyone individually have to kick the penalty. Whoever will score the penalty will have individual photo with the silver play button, and whoever will miss, then they will get the chance for the group photo. Because I taught them everything, how to pass, how to skills, how to throw ball, how to do penalty. And I will also tell them today also, before doing penalty, I will explain to them how to do proper and correct penalty so that they don't complain later. And we'll see who will have the individual photo. So let me show you them here. Yeah, say what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up. Yeah, keep stretching, keep stretching. Keep stretching. Okay, keep stretching, keep doing stretching. Yeah. Okay, guys. Now we are going to start the penalty shoot. Oh, Ronaldo fans. Hey, what is this, dude? Today you will miss. I know you will miss. You're going to miss. You miss, you're not going to get it. Come on, bro. Yeah, so we have two goalies here, guys. Those are our two goalies for today penalties. Yeah. Okay, so listen. So I'm going to give them the demo on how to kick the penalty. It's not my first time to explain. Hold it properly like that. It's not my first time to explain for you guys how to kick penalty. I always say, like, there is only less than 3 rules to kick a correct penalty. First thing, before everything, only decide one side. Suppose you are coming Manohar, you should know where you are going to kick. From there only you should decide. Don't decide when here. That is, when you decide here, then that is doubt will start. Decide from your position only. Secondly, whenever you are kicking penalty, kick side only. Ground ball and side. Okay? I'm giving simple. That's it. I will kick only 2 penalties in different sides. And I decide already. First thing, you place your ball. Slowly pressure down, okay? Always kick, ground ball and side ball. Because goalie is standing in the center. Okay, ready, Rishi? Always side and ground ball. You don't even need much pressure. Ready? Okay, see, simple if like this, easy ground ball. Okay? Okay, next another. Come. Next other. Goalie should always also choose only one side. Decide one side. Suppose you decide right, go right. Don't think that you will wait for me to kick, then you will run there. It will not happen. Okay, ready? See, I'm kicking only ground ball and side ball. See? Simple it will go, okay? Let's start now. One from this side, everyone, one. So let's see, you kick, you score your penalty, you will get chance for personal photo. Tanuj, come. Next you, Bitul. So we have the first player, that is Tanuj. Ready, Rishi? Wait. Okay, ready? You miss. Go out. Go last line. Backward. Bitul. So we have the first player, that was Tanuj. Tanuj is a very good player, guys. Honestly, he's very good. But he missed penalty. I didn't expect that from you, Tanuj. You're gonna get... No. You. That was so sad. Ready? Ready, goalie? Miss. I'm saying side only kick. You're kicking in the center. Is he standing in the center only? What are you expecting? Only side and ground ball. That is Abhiram, also very good player here. Let's see. Wait. I said wait. Wait, see. You have to kick always when we blow the whistle. Ready? Goalie? I told him to wait. Good try. Abhiram scored. Those who scored stand that side separately. Abhiram, that side is stand. Next take, one from each side. Place your ball properly in the center. Wait. Hey, Sampath, stop the ball. Ready? You miss. I'm saying kick side ball. What does it mean side? Goalie standing in the center. You are giving ball in the center. What are you expecting? Next.
Then you come here. I'm going last.
Wait. Goalie ready? Good. Place the ball with your hand always. Put the ball properly with your hand. Goalie ready? Wait. You missed. Sampath. Place the ball with your hand, Sampath. Okay. Wait. Ready? Go, Sampath. You are just lucky enough, man. He's lucky. He did not even kick side ball. Okay? Ready? Wait until you blow. Why are you looking like that? It seems like you're going to miss already. From your face. What's your name? Manish is coming. Come. I knew you will miss. From your face they will know. Your face doesn't have that power, that no courage in your face. You will score? You will score or no? Yeah. You should say yes, not yeah. Hey, don't do that. Goalie ready? Go and get the ball. I know you will miss from your face. I said say yes, don't say yeah. Yeah is already half of the word. Hey, stop that. Get ready. Next person, hold the ball. Next person. Okay, ready? Your penalty is very poor. You need more practice. Charan, are you going to have personal photo with the Silva play button? I did not blow the whistle. Why you're shaking and rushing? Just calm down. You will score. Calm down, decide one side and ground, side ball. Very good. This one I want you. Come. Tell them, yeah, my boy. This one I want, guys. He did a best goal. Everyone should kick like that only. Goalie will never clear that. It was not even powerful. It was just simple and side. That's it. Who is next? Hey. Come. Everyone has to kick. Next person with the other ball. Get ready. Don't waste time. After this, we are playing match. Satya, keep the ball properly. Keep it in the center. Ready? Goalie ready? You are kicking in the center only, I'm saying. Next person. Kick always side ball, guys. Side ball. Wait. Adarsh is here. Abba, what is this, Adarsh? Come and explain.
This is power.
Oh my God, Adarsh, you should improve, Adarsh. Your senior man, you should be an example for them. Wait, those who score stand beside here. Those who score, I said. Those who score stand separately here. Abhiram. Next, Abhiram, stand there separately. Ready? Abba. Next, come fast. Make it fast. Wait. Hey, stop. Don't move the board. Just hold. Ready? Good try. Stand there. Those who score. Next, take the ball.
Mbappe.
You sing for them, Mbappe. Wait, relax. Okay?
Ronaldo or Messi?
Ronaldo. Ball was out. He missed. Next. Give ball to the next person. Get ready with the ball. Save time. Ready? You are kicking only in the center. What is this? His name is Virat, but he's the world's Virat in India. You should be like Virat Kohli. It's okay. You should be an example. Who is next? Ready? Hey. Come out. He's the one kicking.
Yeah.
And it's a goal.
Next, take the other ball. Goalie, make it fast. Manohar, go side. Ready? Hey. Yes. Manohar. Hold that ball. Hold it. Hey, where I told you to stand? Go there. See, where is the cone? Guys, boys, go and stand that cone. Stand in that cone only. Stand one line. Ready, Manohar? You missed, Manohar. Next. Beside, not in the goal. Ready? No. Go. You are kicking very slowly. Hey, here is the king. The king is back. The king is back. Any comment before shooting?
No.
Oh, the king doesn't talk. Only the action will talk. Show them. Ronaldo, 1, 2, 3. Shoo! What is this, Shiva? What is this?
It's okay, but it's still the king.
Shiva missed, guys. Shiva is very good player, but he just disappointed me. Oh, Shiva and Tanuj, they all disappoint me, guys. They all disappoint me. Hey, next. Everyone done? Ready? That's very poor, man. You are kicking also in the center. Next. We have last 2 players. Wait. First, you have to wait. Ref has to blow the whistle. You missed. Next, we have Surya Banchi. That is he's the best player among all, guys. Physically, mentally, but I don't know if he's going to disappoint. So you have any comment? Who is the goalie? I want the best goalie to be here. Who is the best among you? Rishi, you or him?
Me.
You sure? Okay, Surya, I need 2 requests from you. You will have to kick 2 penalties. Different goalie. Okay? No. We will see who is the best goalie. Okay? Now, Surya, start. Ready? Oh, Surya Banchi. Next, we'll see who is the best goalie. Surya, ready? Another chance for Surya. Amma, you want to break this child hand? Okay, Surya scored. So now, hey Manohar, your money fell down. Tell Manohar his money fell down there. So now, okay. Now, hey, 2 goalies come. The 2 goalies.
I'll do goalie first.
Goalies. Now it's time for the goalies, guys. They have to kick against each other. So we have B. Abhiram. This is Rishi. Ready? Wait. Oh my God. Rishi, do you know 3 goals, all Nagmet. Come next. Let's see. Hey, don't touch. You lost already. Ready? Wait. Abhiram, move. Goal. So the challenge is done, guys, and here are the team who scored the goals, guys. So congrats to all. Congrats to them. So we are going to give them chance for personal pick, and those are the losers. They miss all the penalty, guys. So let's start.
Even this will a loser thing.
Hold the camera, just here. Now I'll start clicking photo. Just hold here. Hey, remaining come behind me. First, Abram. Stand here, one by one. I'll click photo. Hold. Just be there. Go, Chetri, move. Hey, don't do that. Wait. Stamp properly. It's not video, it is a photo. Why you are moving? You should stamp properly. Don't do your mouth like this. Now be normal. Next. Done. Next. Keep it straight, little up, little straight. Your head up. Yeah. Hey Shiva, move that side. Move. Next.
Next time going.
Next. Hey, give to him everyone.
Next time.
Sir, he didn't score.
Hey, don't go behind Rishi. Don't give the ball. No, leave it. Come. Ready? Hey, where are you going? Be here. Wait, Surya. Wait. Little back, Surya. I'm saying don't go behind there.
Manish.
Look here. Next.
I'll stand here. Rest stand here only. Who around come and run and take. Right.
Hey, move back. That boy.
Christian.
Stand properly. Why you're putting that shoulder behind?
Pushpa.
Next.
Me.
Done.
Thank you, Kali.
Hey, I said don't move behind. You don't understand? Next time. Again, everyone 2 chance. Move. Next.
1, 2, 3, Real Madrid.
Move this side. Move. Okay.
Come
Stand this side.
June Bellingham.
Thumbs up.
Again.
Ryan.
Fine. Wait, be there only. With the camera, I'll take. With the camera. Look on the camera here. Everyone, look on the camera. Look on the camera. Wait. Okay, thank you guys. Let's go and play the match now. Okay. Done.